guys, Danger LTZ here. So got a call this evening about bees in a birdhouse. See them all right there. Just clustered up. Yeah, she called me about this evening. Left me a voicemail, so they're cute. They aren't mean at all. Stick my finger right in the middle of them. They're not mean at all. Alrighty, and then also we got bees in another birdhouse over here. I actually do see a nest in there, but we'll figure it out and we'll take care of them. Alrighty guys, so pulled this birdhouse out of the back wall of this home. I've got a nuke up here with them fanning, so I mean that's a good sign that they're accepting. Got a fresh frame of brood for them so that they can start easier. The one thing that sucks is when you start seeing these things right here and stuff like that, because that kind of looks like ants or rats or termites. See down here, got all these shells, stuff like that, so I'd assume rats as well. There's rat pellets in here and stuff like that. But anyways, there's the bottom board piece. A whole bunch of rat droppings. Anyways, sorry guys. To get to the main point, if you guys see these right here, what do those look like? Do you guys know what those are? If you guys know what these are, go ahead and put a comment down below and tell me what you know about these things. Tell me what you guys know about these things and what they do to bees. I know what they are. There's so many of them. Hundreds. And for the feeling of what happened is I feel like they got a hold of this hive and ate it. So if you look here, tons of bees. And alright, here's the answer. These are called wax moth larvae. Or these are actually the second stage of their life. They're horrible to have. They eat through anything. They'll destroy comb, destroy wood. As you can see that they've nibbled through the bottom corner down here. But yeah, little spider's nest. But yeah, that's all wax moth right there. There's comb in here, like I'm squeezing down the comb, but there's also the wax moth. It destroys a lot of stuff. See more back there. Trying to get as many bees as I can out of here. These two are screwing around. Here guys, come on, out you get. Out you get. Come on. Anyways, she's confused. She's like, what's going on? But just wanted to give you guys a little update. What they're doing, how they're doing it. Looks like they've accepted. They're fanning. Cool. Alright guys, and we'll see you guys soon. Don't forget to subscribe, comment. Let me know what you know about these wax moth. Alright guys, see you around.